This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing resources. Close background apps and make sure you have at least 500 MB free RAM. This reduces immediate memory pressure. Once done, check for the latest Codium update and install it. Patches often fix crashes. Next, clear the game cache and app data if needed. This removes corrupt temporary files. Finally, reboot your device so system services restart cleanly. Then launch Codium to confirm whether the crash persists and note any error messages. If the crash continues, move to Network and Settings. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and disable VPNs because network negotiation can cause timeouts. Then, reduce in-game graphics to medium, turn off HDR and frame smoothing to lower GPU load. These changes often stop rendering crashes. Make sure your account is synced to the correct platform before proceeding. Once stable, test a short match. If crashes still occur, you're ready to reinstall without risking progress loss after backing up. Now perform a full reinstall. Uninstall Codium, then delete remaining game folders to remove corrupted files. Reinstall from the store, sign in immediately to restore your cloud-saved progress, and reapply reduced graphics settings first. Once launched, test for stability across several matches. If you still experience crashes, capture device logs or screenshots, note your device model and OS version, and contact support, providing log speeds diagnosis. This single workflow eliminates most causes. Use the log tip if problems remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.